Glued thoughts in my mind, they pastely gone in the sky. I am glued to loving you. It swallows me wholly, hard to let go. That's not what I wanna do. Perfectly attached, like a little innocence. You're good with the XYZ. I'm good with the ABC and the EFG. H has a KBB. We all have a song, so it's built differently. Different experience, different needs. No, we can't die at the same time, but please, I don't wanna think about the morning parts of life no more. I'm trying just to focus on the things that hold me so damn close and sticky, sticky, stuck. It's solidly sealed up to this reality unseen. Not what I wish to be achieving. The old idea means glued up. Sometimes it's too much. I'm fucked up and clueless. 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 Life would be boring, empty, but no hurting. No hurting. When my pretty feet start to sway, you better turn around the other way. But when the doubt starts creeping in, it's hard to let go. Full instinctual patterns that I pick up from my environment. Sensitivity, cut that negative self-talk and cut out my procrastination. Being sticky, stuck to those old habits, shy. Takes me to a new way of being. Something to breathe, new life in me again. Glued up, sometimes it's too much. I'm fucked up and clueless. Clueless, clueless. Life could be boring, empty, but no hurting. Hurting. Glued up, sometimes it's too much. I'm fucked up and clueless. Clueless, clueless. Life would be boring, empty, but no hurting. Glued up, sometimes it's too much. I'm fucked up and clueless. Clueless, clueless. Life would be boring, empty, but no hurt.